Out here, the roads don't exist, only trails carved by will. This is the Hummer H1, military blood, civilian heart. It was never meant to be pretty, just unstoppable. The mission, one forest, no shortcuts, no assistance. Once it starts, there's no turning back. Every inch is earned, no pavement here. Low gear, high tension. Precision in a monster-sized frame. The trail pushes back. Good. Every scratch tells the truth of the trail. Challenge accepted. This is where the story begins. Diesel thunder wakes the woods. Every bounce is a battle won. The bones of the beast don't bend easy. Grip isn't given, it's taken. Focus sharpens, distractions disappear. One wrong move, game over. Left is safe, right is glory. And glory doesn't wait. The forest tests with more than just mud. Sink or survive. Even the river respects the weight. Traction, torque, tenacity. Every terrain tells a different story. What you can't see, you feel. The trail gets in your head and leaves its mark behind. After every challenge, a climb. Higher ground, harder earned. You don't conquer nature, you coexist with it. And sometimes, it lets you win. This view is the reward. The trail ends here, the journey doesn't. Earned peace tastes better. Tomorrow, we find a harder trail.